Are you doing it now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Nice. I'm a accept your friendship. Nice. Tell your sister to friend me too. Tell sister Christian to do
Whatever else. There's.
I don't really know. I mean, I'm working on one. It doesn't sound that great, but it's supposed to kind of sound like a dog barking out in the distance. But it's like.
Oh my God. That's like.
Cut it out! Hey! Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't know.
Tell your coach to shut up. Too good.
I don't know. Everyone just videotaping. Everyone pull out your phones quick so you can do it.